This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. PayPal is trading lower by nearly 10% in Thursday's pre-market after beating Q2 profit guidance, but lowering a Q3 profit guidance and full-year profit guidance. Looking back, this stock topped out right around 120 in July of 2019, pulled back through about the fourth quarter, returning to the prior high in February 2020, breaking out for a couple of sessions and then turning sharply lower during the pandemic decline. Came down to about a 52-week low there, shot back up to the prior high because folks were moving to digital payments from cash payments at a very rapid pace, and broke out in May, entering a very, very strong uptrend. Now, it was almost a historic uptrend, continuing all the way to the end of 2020. The stock posted a 219% annual return, which is just phenomenal. Started 2021 on a positive note, and then shot higher into February, peaking right up here into the 320 level. Now, profit taking took control through the rest of that first quarter. We dropped down about the 220s, spent the entire rest of the first quarter and all the second quarter grinding it back up to this high. Well, as you know, trips into prior highs are resistance, so it sometimes takes a lot of energy to mount those spaces. Now, as you can see, PayPal spent, 3 weeks here going and testing this prior high before turning lower. Well, it's trading down at this black line right here, which would be lower than, say, the 1, 2, 3, 4, the last 5 weeks of trading. So this is a major breakdown as long as it holds about this level, and it probably will. This is also where the 50-day moving average is, so we could look for some buyers to try to step here and to stem the slide. Well, I don't know if that's going to happen or not, because we do have a lot of, when you get a gap down like this, I call it a hole in the wall gap. And that is the start of an immediate downtrend. So especially at a range top here where we get a rejection, we have to look for downside momentum. Now we have this little rising line right here, which comes up to about the 250 or 260 level. We also have the 50-week moving average down here at 240. So I think these could be targets over here between 250 and 240 in coming weeks. It's also possible to come down and test some of these highs down in the 220s and the 230s.